Friends, as you know that at the end of the gastrulation process, three layers are formed. That is endoderm, mesoderm and the ectoderm. Here the diagram showing about the vertical section of the gastrula. Though which is not very good, single dimensional diagram is there. So how does these three layers they are formed at the end of this gastrulation process? Gastrula, it is called to be the gastrulation process. First of all, the first layer formed is called the formation of the endoderm. Some of the cells of the embryonal knob. What is embryonal knob? We have studied previously about the blastula. Now here the cells of the blastula which get pushed to one side, this form the embryonal knob. This embryonal knob, the cells of this embryonal knob, they become flat and formation of the first endodermal layer, it takes place because of the rapid multiplication and spread of the cells in all direction. So in this way the first layer is formed, that is called the endoderm. After this one, after the formation of the endoderm, the cells of the embryonal knob, they become the columnar and formation of the embryonal disc is there, though which is not shown in here in this diagram. The formation of the embryonal disc is there, and between the embryonal disc and trophoblast cells, these are the trophoblast cells, the outermost lining of this is called to be the trophoblast. So between the embryonic disc and trophoblast, a cavity is developed. This cavity is called to be the amniotic cavity. I will explain about the amniotic cavity little later. Now this amniotic cavity having its own importance. So in this way, here the formation of the amniotic cavity is there, and after this formation of the amniotic cavity, the remaining cells of the embryonic disc, they form the third layer, that is called the ectoderm. And later on, in between these two layers of this ectoderm and mesoderm, the third layer formed is called the mesoderm. And it also shows here, now here it is the endoderm. Between this endoderm and the ectoderm, mesoderm is formed. So these three layers, the formation of these three layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, this process complete the gastrulation.